Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here's now we have Lenovo Ideapad 330 and today we will do unboxing of this. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. Start unboxing of this Lenovo Ideapad 330. First we will remove the sticker where is here. So I like the style of this tape as it's written Lenovo everywhere. It's a bit complicated but I'll somehow do it. So let's make it straight, and here's first we have thermocol. White thermocol, actually I like it also, so let's keep it aside. So here's our laptop. It's looking, I expect it would be such type of awesome thing. So here it's out with two side cushions. Here's our Lenovo Ideapad 330. Oh, we'll just see in what's inside it. There's another thermocol inside. Yeah, here's one. I can make something productive from this in another video. And here's a compartment also. I think it's a charger. So here is the charger lead, and here we have the adapter. It's all written Lenovo. It's all branded material. Now here's the main thing. Here's the main thing, Lenovo Ideapad. Let's make it out. Let's take it out. Oh, it's look very much awesome. Lenovo, Lenovo. So now we'll open it and see how it's separated. So here we have our laptop, and here it is written something like P. I can't understand that. Let's keep it aside. Here we have this keyboard protector, which would protect our keyboard from dust, water and everything. So here we have some specifications. Let's check them out. We have Core i5 8th generation and NVIDIA GeForce GTX. It's the version 1050 version of NVIDIA. Here now these are also its specifications. Ideapad 330. Now let's us on this. As you can see, the backlighting of the keyboard. It's written Lenovo. As you can see my name there. Yeah, Gurmehar Singh, welcome. Thank you for welcoming me. Laptop. It contains Cortana Assistant, which is a voice assistant. It's very effective. So as of now the screen is on, let's operate it a little. Here I've put so let's start. Here is Microsoft Edge. Let's open it. Go Microsoft. So that's the basic page of Microsoft actually. So let's search out for Google. Google, yes. So actually the internet is very fast here. It also contains 180-degree hinge. That means it can be opened to up to 180 degree, as it can help while if you're operating it while lying on the bed or else. I was looking in the box and I got something else in it. I think it's the manual. Oh, that is the cardboard. So here's the operating manual. First here is safety and warranty guide with Lenovo notebook, everything for it is introduction guide for Lenovo. So first I'll keep this laptop aside with the 180-degree hinge. So I even got this bag and some more freebies along with this laptop. Let's unbox this bag even. So opening with the last zip. Moving to the first freebie, it is Lenovo 300 wireless compact mouse. It looks super cool and it will help me in high-end gaming. So let's keep it aside first. Another thing I have got with it is Lenovo. It's not a Lenovo, but it's a multi-purpose cleaning gel along with the wiping cloth that is inside this cap, which would somehow help me to clean this laptop when it will be dirty. And let me see if I have anything else. Yes, here's a cup along with this as a even also a freebie. It has written with Lenovo. Thank you Lenovo for this cup. I will be drinking coffee in it. It needs PC assistance. It has given us a link for the Play Store app, like here, and even some phone numbers. Let me keep it aside first. Let me check it out. Another zips. Does your thing anything else? Here's a polythene also in it, and I also got this very important component for a laptop PC. It is the charger along with this is the adapter for the charger, and it is the lead. It will get connected here. So let's open this out even. It goes round and down and down and it's open. This wire would go in here. For this Ideapad 330, it is very highly futuristic device which I had got today, and I just love this laptop because of its performance. It has super fast speed and very good performance. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. This was my first unboxing episode. Kindly like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.